Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use auto refill on Bambu printers. Now this feature automatically switches to another spool when the current one runs out, allowing long prints to continue without any interruptions. So first of all, you need to simply load two or more spools into your AMS. For auto refill to work, these spools must have the same material type, the color and the filament profile. For example, two rolls of the Bambu PLA Basic Black or two identical custom PLA profiles. If they don't match, auto refill is not going to work or the option won't be available. So once you have it, you just have to simply open your Bambu Studio application. Afterwards, you need to click on the option of devices here on the top. Now in the left hand section, you are going to see the option of AMS. So you need to simply click on the option of the AMS section, and then you need to simply look for the option of auto refill. So you need to check the auto refill button over here. Then make sure that AMS filament backup is turned on. You will also see which AMS slots are paired together for the automatic switching. After doing this, you just have to come back inside your prepare tab. Over here, you just have to simply click on the option of the print plate on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, before sending the print, you need to check the AMS slot selection in the print dialog, and then you need to choose which matching spool you want to start with. So you need to simply just send the print to your printer. So if the first spool runs out during printing, the AMS will automatically load the matching spool and continue to print. So you don't need to pause the print or replace the filament manually. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.